name is Ika Satyasari. I come from DeTara Foundation, Indonesia. I'm one of the 5 fellows of UNEP EcoPeace Leadership. Our project is conducted at Ciapus.
Ciapus is the name of area in Bogor Regency, West Java, which is located close to Salakman. Salakman itself has been inaugurated by Indonesian government to be national park as part of Halimun Salak National Park. And Halimun Salak National Park is currently one of conservation area in Java Island of Indonesia, which has the widest tropical rainforest ecosystem. Ciapus area itself is one of water catchment areas in Bogor. This area is crossed by river, namely Ciapus. Historically, Ciapus come from 2 words. Those are Ci means river and Apus means one of species of bamboo. Based on indigenous knowledge of communities at some parts of West Java, bamboo is usually found along the location where a river flows. In other words, they believe that if there is bamboo, there is a water source. Therefore, our ancestors had insisted to protect bamboo along the river. But the current condition, Ciapus River is in degradation. The existence of bamboo in this area is getting scarce. In line with environmental problems, basic schools in Indonesia rarely combine the school subjects to environment ethics. Other case, there are still several number of children in Indonesia cannot continue their study to high school. In this program, we approach several target groups, including formal schools, local communities, and young volunteers to take part in this program. For formal school, we choose Pasiteri 6 Elementary School, as it is the nearest school to our project site. We believe that formal school is the effective target group since it consists of teachers and students where educational activities take place every day. And promoting agroforestry to the children at school is reflected to environmental education for sustainability, which not only highlights environmental issues but also social and economic issues as well. Therefore, we arrange it to be part of environmental education at school, which reflects to local and global issues.
Lingkungan nggak? Ingat Pak, yuk. Nanti jangan setelah tepuk lingkungan jangan ini ya, jangan buang sampah sembarangan ya. Oke. Ini ikuti Kak Ika. Oke, tepuk lingkungan. Aku anak Indonesia, cinta sawah, cinta flora, buang sampah di tempatnya. Yes. Masih buang sampah sembarangan nggak? Masih. Nah tuh sampahnya masih banyak. Besok pagi-pagi kita bersihin ya. Iya. Oke, satu kali lagi ya. Tepuk lingkungan. Sudah apa? Sudah. Oke. Tepuk lingkungan.
Aku anak Indonesia, cinta sawah, cinta flora, buang sampah di tempatnya. Yes.
Oke.
Buang sampah.
Selamat pulang ya.
Buang sampah. Assalamualaikum Kak.
Waalaikumsalam.
Ayo main.
However, economic becomes the most important factor that influences community lifestyle at Ciapus. Due to lack of communities' knowledge on farming and agroforestry system, local community choose other jobs in order to improve their income, such as collecting stone and sands from Ciapus River, making shoes, being on permanently labor, and trading. Concerning to environment degradation and community economic at Ciapus, DeTara Foundation initiates to promote organic agroforestry system to sustain people's livelihood at transition area through eco-education. We believe that agroforestry system is method that combine agriculture and forestry sectors without explore natural forests. Later, it is possible to give the people benefits both agriculture and forestry products as well to conserve their environment. By using ecosystem of natural forests which home to diversities of plants with different sizes and requirements as an approach, we try to grow several crops including trees and agricultural plants as mixed cropping or in rotation. We know that it is quite difficult to fulfill the whole aspects of organic agroforestry, such as the area which for developing organic agroforestry should be never contaminated with chemical pesticides nor chemical fertilizer. What we always try to initiate is a concept that desires economically, environmentally, and socially sustainable and based on integrated production system. So that the concept of organic agroforestry system can reduce negative impacts of chemical waste from farming activities and promote sustainability. One of our initiations to realize organic agroforestry is by introducing compost and organic pesticide to the communities. Producing compost and organic pesticide not only has purpose to encouraging communities to move into organic method, but also encouraging them to manage their household garbage. There was a lack of communities' awareness in managing their household garbage. Therefore, we use materials that can be found easily by communities at their surrounding for compost and organic pesticide. One of them is their organic household garbages. In order to promote organic agroforestry, we developed Organic Agroforestry Demonstration Plot or DEMplot, which has been started on May at one of local communities' land with a total is 1,200 meters square of wide. We have 5 local community who responsible to our DEMplot. The 3 species that are already planted at our DEMplot consist of Durio sibatinus, Nephelium lapaceum, Sigium sp, Leucanea leucepala, and mostly dominated by species of teak or Tectona grandis. Then we use mixed agriculture plants as intercrops of each furrow. This DEMplot is a learning site for children, youth, and young people to learn organic agroforestry.
The most difficult thing to conduct agroforestry project at Ciapus is the local communities have lack of land to be cultivated. The factors that cause land scarcity, among others, are higher population, illegal sand and stone exploitation, and more private investors or companies at Ciapus. In addition, the local governments are less aware on the importance of water area conservation. To follow up this project, DeTara Foundation initiates several activities. Among others is campaigns and small research on river and watershed biodiversity conservation that will conducted together with the children and youth. This follow-up project is part of raising awareness on biodiversity conservation at river and watershed area and young generation's voice as consideration for further policy making on watershed management.